In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Airtable with Zapier. By the end, you'll have a simple automation that starts in Airtable and continues in Gmail, so your workflow can run on autopilot. First, head to Zapier.com and sign into your account. If you're new to Zapier, any standard workspace is fine. Just make sure you're using an account with permission to connect apps. Once you're in, look to the top left and click Create. From the options that appear, choose Zaps to open the editor where we'll build this automation. At the top of the editor, you'll start with the trigger. Click where it prompts you to pick a trigger, then type Airtable into the search bar and select the Airtable app from the list. Next, choose a trigger event. Common choices include new record or new or updated record. Pick the one that matches when you want your Zap to run. If you're unsure, start with new record to keep it simple. Now it's time to connect Airtable. Click to connect your account and follow the on-screen prompts to authorize access. Zapier will guide you through selecting the Airtable base and table you want to monitor. It helps to have at least one sample record ready so Zapier can pull in data for testing. Click Continue, then run Test Trigger. Zapier should find a recent record and show you the fields it retrieved. If it doesn't find anything, add or update a record in your chosen table and test again. With the trigger working, move down to the action step. Click Action to define what happens after the trigger fires. In the app search, type Gmail and select the Gmail app. Choose the action event you want, such as send email, depending on how you plan to use the Airtable data. Next, sign into your Gmail account and approve the requested permissions so Zapier can send messages on your behalf. After connecting, click Continue. You'll see fields for the email like to, subject, and body. Zapier will display the Airtable data it found during the trigger test so you can insert those values where they belong. This keeps your messages dynamic and accurate. Finally, click Test. Zapier will run the action using your sample data and show the result. If everything looks good, you've successfully connected Airtable to Gmail through Zapier and proven the workflow works end to end. That's all there is to it. Your automation is set up, reliable, and ready to scale as you refine your Airtable base and Gmail templates.